Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling developer mode because it's the sanctioned way to run custom code on Xbox. Sign up for a Microsoft developer account, install dev mode activation on the console, and follow the on-screen pairing code. On your Windows PC, install Visual Studio and the Xbox device portal tools so you can deploy apps. Once done, make sure the console and PC share a wired or reliable Wi-Fi network to speed up deployment and avoid connection errors. With developer mode active, open the Xbox device portal webpage at the console's IP. Pair your PC by entering the portal PIN, then use Visual Studio to deploy a universal Windows platform package to the console. That's how you run desktop-style apps on Xbox. If you need actual Windows UI, instead stream your Windows PC using Remote Desktop or the Wireless Display app on Xbox. This gives you full Windows interaction without modifying the console. Finish by testing the deployed app, then switch between developer and retail modes as needed. Remember, retail mode is required for standard gaming. Sideload only signed or locally trusted packages, and keep the console system updates current to avoid compatibility problems. If something goes wrong, check the device portal IP, confirm both devices are on the same subnet, verify firewall rules, and restart the Xbox device portal service and console. That fix usually restores connectivity and lets you continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.